this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to creating a waypoint mission on your desktop for the Mi 5 Pro in 3 minutes. This mission consists of 4 waypoints surrounding a point of interest. The drone will always face the point of interest. If you have seen my previous tutorial and have set up your Bluetooth now, you need to turn on Bluetooth on the controller. Turn on the controller, swiping on twice with your finger from the top of the screen, and tackle the motive button to turn it on. You are now ready to set up your desktop waypoints. Click Connect to Aircraft in the bottom right of the screen, and then Camera View in the top right. Click on the lap in the bottom left to increase it to full size. Use the mouse wheel or 2 fingers to zoom into the area that you want to set up your mission. Open Layers and then Satellites. Find an open field that you know will be able to access once you've set up a mission. Click on the button on the left of the screen. The waypoint menu appears. Click in one corner of the field, the green circle where the number 1 appears. Click 3 times more the other 3 colors in the field for points 2 to 4. Tap on POI and then click somewhere in the middle of the 4 points. This will bring up a red hexagon with the number 1 on it. Click on waypoint and then 1. The menu will change. Click camera action and start record. The height of all the waypoints defaults to 50 meters. To change that, click altitude and drag the slider so that the altitude reads 20 meters. Click apply to all and then OK. Note that all the points have 20 meters below them. Now click heading, then custom, and select Place POI. Then click Apply to All and OK. This will force the drone to face the point of interest throughout the entire operation. Tap 4, Camera Action, then Stop Record. Tap the back arrow again, then the Waypoints list icon. The list of waypoint missions will appear with your latest one on the top named as the date and the time. Click Save, then Save on the drop-down menu. You can rename the mission if you wish by clicking on the pencil icon. You are now all set to fly your mission. Take your drone out to the field that you've selected for your mission. Bring up the waypoints list again and select the mission you have just created.